Who they are. People who help us when we are sick. What they do. Check our health and give medicine. Why they are important. They help us get better and stay healthy. Tools. Stethoscope, thermometer, medicine. Fun fact. Doctors wear white coats to look clean and professional. Who they are. People who drive vehicles. What they do. Take passengers safely to their destinations. Why they are important. They help us travel quickly and easily. Tools. Steering wheel, bus, seatbelt. Fun fact. Some drivers know every street in the city by heart. Who they are. People who build with wood. What they do. Make furniture, doors, and houses. Why they are important. They give us safe and useful wooden things. Tools. Hammer, saw, nails. Fun fact. Carpenters can turn plain wood into beautiful furniture. Who they are. People who cook delicious food. What they do. Prepare meals in restaurants and hotels. Why they are important. They make tasty food for everyone. Tools. Knife, pan, apron. Fun fact. Chefs taste food many times while cooking. Who they are. People who fix electrical systems. What they do. Repair wires, lights, and machines. Why they are important. They keep our homes bright and safe. Tools. Screwdriver, pliers, tester. Fun fact. Electricians know how to make dark rooms shine again. Who they are. People who grow food. What they do. Plant seeds, water crops, and harvest. Why they are important. Without farmers, we wouldn't have food to eat. Tools. Tractor, plow, watering can. Fun fact. Farmers wake up very early to start their work. Who they are. Brave helpers who fight fires. What they do. Put out fires and rescue people. Why they are important. They protect us from dangerous fires. Tools. Fire hose, helmet, fire truck. Fun fact. Firefighters sometimes rescue animals stuck in trees. Who they are. People who care for plants. What they do. Plant flowers, water gardens, and trim bushes. Why they are important. They make our surroundings green and beautiful. Tools. Watering can, rake, gloves. Fun fact. Gardeners know which plants grow best in each season. Who they are. Helpers who care for patients. What they do. Give injections, check health, and comfort people. Why they are important. Nurses make sure patients feel safe and cared for. Tools. Syringe, bandages, medical chart. Fun fact. Nurses often work day and night to help people. Who they are. Protectors of law and order. What they do. Stop crime and keep people safe. Why they are important. They make sure our community is peaceful. Tools. Uniform, whistle, walkie-talkie. Fun fact. Police officers also help lost children find their parents. Who they are. People who deliver letters and parcels. What they do. Carry mail from one place to another. Why they are important. They connect families and friends. Tools. Mailbag, bicycle, uniform. Fun fact. Postmen sometimes walk long distances to deliver letters. Who they are. People who keep our surroundings clean. What they do. Collect garbage and sweep streets. Why they are important. They protect us from diseases and pollution. Tools. Broom, garbage truck, gloves. Fun fact. Sanitation workers often start working before sunrise. Who they are. People who sell goods in shops. What they do. Provide food, clothes, and daily items. Why they are important. They make sure we get what we need. Tools. Cash register, shelves, bags. Fun fact. Shopkeepers often know their customers by name. Who they are. Brave protectors of the country. What they do. Guard borders and keep peace. Why they are important. They keep our nation safe. Tools. Uniform, boots, training gear. Fun fact. Soldiers often live far away from home to protect us. Who they are. Guides who help children learn. What they do. Teach reading, writing, and many subjects. Why they are important. They help us grow smart and kind. Tools. Books, chalkboard, pencils. Fun fact. Teachers also keep learning new things themselves.
I hope today you learned something interesting as you're. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and be safe.